Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery on your Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get this done. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. First, we're going to be taking out the SIM tray so we can take off the back of the device. Then here we're going to use this blue tool to separate the back from the device, from the screen. So you want to go start with the spot where the SIM tray is, then you want to work your way around it. You want to do it slowly, you don't want to put too much pressure on the screen so it won't crack or bust any other parts of the device. So it's going to take a little bit of time. Take your time, don't rush things. Once that is done, there's one thing you gotta do is disconnect where the fingerprint is, that ribbon cable. Then we're gonna be taking out all the screws all around on that black back plate. So you gotta take them out, then don't forget to disconnect that ribbon cable. The next step here, we're going to be disconnecting these ribbon cables. The first one is the battery connector, and the second one is what connects the bottom of the phone to the motherboard. Now removing this battery is going to be a little bit of a challenge because it has a very strong glue. This method that I'm going to show you it's the easiest way to remove the battery, and we're going to be using some alcohol. You could use about 91% alcohol so it dries faster and won't damage anything on the phone. So you gotta do it on the top, where the space on the top of the between the frame and the battery. You just put a little, then you start peeling off the battery from the top, then add alcohol as you go. Depends on how much you need. Take your time and don't put too much rubbing alcohol either. The next step is we're going to be drying out that area. If it has a lot of alcohol, you don't want to leave any of that on the back. Then we're going to prepare the battery, the new battery, for installation. This step right here, you want to connect the ribbon cable first for the battery. Then you want to put the battery in its place. You can put a little bit of pressure just to make sure it's secured. Then you can go ahead and connect that other ribbon cable. Then we're going to be doing putting the back plate back on and reconnecting everything back. Once we are done with the back plate, we're going to be putting the fingerprint reader back in its place. This is it, guys. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this tutorial helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.